625, it's confirmed. Can I copy the 1015? Stand 3 copy.
10-3, copy. 6-5, if I didn't advise, Dad, 15.
I copy. Dad 15.
29. 5-10-3, are you going to make your way back to Prado on foot, or you want a vehicle to 98 on the highway? I'm headed back to Prado F. 10-4.
20, correction, 65, there was multiple units. Confirming you wanted a 29 on Aaron, Scotty.
Confirm, please, advise bench.
Copy.
They just went that way.
Clear, valid, negative inch.
Copy, code forward there.
Copy, code. So they handcuffed this guy just because he's related, I guess. This guy's related to the guy that's running. So they're like, hey, you're in handcuffs now. 4225.
Mom, you okay? Down there? I'm sorry, but I love you. Hey.
25, my air previously, the unconfirmed warrant out of Santa Cruz. There's also going to be a rank warrant if you want us to call on that one.
So, quick recap, guys. I'll give you guys a recap when this is finished.
Copy.
Hey, thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Got you, bro.
Where'd you come from?
Parked right over there.
Nice.
I heard it on the scanner and I was like, oh shit.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was bullshit, dude.
Yeah, why did they detain you?
I don't know. They said somebody ran. That's my son in the car. Dude. Hey, excuse me. Steven. Hey.
Alright, recap, guys. They spotted this guy. Apparently they knew who he was. They spotted him. Tyler Magani's not here. They spotted him. They ran his name. Turns out he has a felony warrant and a misdemeanor warrant out of Santa Cruz. So they asked for a bunch of units to stop him. Once they stopped him, the dude ran. This guy is his dad, and because he's related, they stopped him and detained him. I don't understand why they detained this guy or how they have the right to. Hey, thanks, man.
What's your name?
Gabriel.
You always sit right here or what?
Nah, I'm just around listening to the scanner all the time, dude.
That's
Yeah.
Punk rock shit. We need more people like you.
Hell yeah, bro. Appreciate you.
I'm gonna go get my dogs now.
Yeah, do your thing, man.
Hey, thank you, bro.
Yep, of course. So that's weird that, you know, I mean, of course, if a cop tells you like, hey, you're detained and, you know, blah, 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 starts like grabbing you and shit, you should never. This guy did the right thing. He did the right thing, but they didn't have a right to do that to him. They didn't have a right to do that. Because he was related to the person that they're looking for with this car, they felt the need to handcuff him, detain him, and it wasn't for very long, but that is BS, you know?
25.
So yeah, Slo PD spotted the guy driving this, ran his name, he had a felony warrant. He had a felony warrant.
Come over, we can throw the abstract on the theater.
They started 3 units down this way, and then 2 other units were like, oh, I'm gonna help too. Once they had him stopped, he ran down this way, right here. Ran down there, and 1 unit stayed with them, and the other units were circling. And then the dad comes along. And it's like, hey, that's my car, that's my son. They put him in handcuffs right here and run his name, and he didn't have any probation or anything, so they're like, all right, you're free to go. Thanks for your cooperation, dude. Like, you had a choice. It's BS, man. Thank you for your cooperation.